Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a few things that I bought from Amazon for the festive season and I wanted to share this festive haul with you guys. In case you are looking to shop, you can check out these items. First off is this kurti, which is absolutely beautiful. I love the aqua blue tassel detailing. It's like aqua blue and gold, and I have like kind of matched my eyeshadow with this today. Let me know what you guys think. And yes, this is a very pretty kurti, very comfortable. I love the golden aqua combination and the whole print going on. It is very beautiful, and it comes with a matching mask, which is like a bonus. So yeah, that is amazing because yeah, mask is the necessity now. It's like the new normal. And next I got this yellow chikankari kurti. Also, I'll be showing all the screenshots of the prices, the before and after, because Amazon Great Indian Festival sale is going on. So I got all of it on a very good price, on very good discounts. So I'll include all the screenshots here, and I'll also include the try-on clips here. Now I love chikankari work, and everyone should have at least one chikankari piece in their wardrobe. And white is like a classic, so if you want to start with the white. I already have like 2 white ones, so I got yellow, and I'm eyeing the pink and purple now. But yes, this is very beautiful, very pretty. I absolutely love the detailing and the work. Very simple, plain, basic chikankari kurti. The intricate stitching requires a lot of time, so yes, chikankari kurti is a lot of work, and hence they are slightly on the expensive side in general. Now next I got this bandhani print dress. Now this is like pink and orange, and pink and orange is like my favorite color combination. And this even has like hints of green going on in between, and it has like silver work all over the neck and the hands, the sleeves. So yes, very pretty, very beautiful. I absolutely love bandhani. I'm a Gujarati, so yes, bandhani like goes without saying. Love the color, love the work, love the silver detailing. And this is like a long flowy dress with pleats underneath, so it looks really pretty. And also they have tie-ups on both the sides, which have this cute, super cute bird tassel, like bird tassel. It looks super pretty. Absolutely love this dress, and I'm so happy I found this. So yeah. So next is this lime green dress. Absolutely love the print on it, and it is cotton. It is super comfortable, and it's a whole set. So it comes with bottoms and a dupatta, which is again like full of work and has silver detailing throughout. It's like a crinkled dupatta. There's a silver gold kind of work going on behind as well, same as on the dupatta. And the bottom also has like some sequence work going on. I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, now you can see. So yes, absolutely love the print, the color combination, and the material and the work. This is like perfect. And this is from Juniper. Juniper on Amazon makes very beautiful kurtas and kurti sets. I think even this one is Juniper, if I'm not wrong. And I even have another peach one from Juniper. Juniper makes very good quality clothes, so do check out Juniper on Amazon. These were the outfits, and I have some accessories here. First off is the silver kada. Now this was super pretty. It has like mirror work detailing going on, and it has like this ghungru thing at the end or at the start if you wear it the other way. But yes, this is how it looks. Super pretty, and it goes with a lot of different outfits. Again, like even this has silver, so it works with this as well. I'm gonna wear this. And yes, I got these beautiful earrings. Second one are these beautiful earrings. I'll just show you a close-up here. I really love the detailing and the work, and they're super lightweight, and they will look good with a lot of different outfits. Next I got this evil eye necklace. Now this is not festive, but I wanted this, and this will go with a lot of your different everyday wear outfits. It's like a blue colored evil eye, blue and gold evil eye. It looks super pretty, and you can layer it with a lot of different necklaces. Like I can wear this and this together. So yes, very good for layering. The quality is nice, and I wanted something evil eye since a long time, so I finally got this. This one is a set of 3 clips, claw clips. Now claw clips are very in right now again. So yes, this is a set of 3 in 3 different colors, pink, blue and green. And claw clips are in trend right now, but we pretty much wear it. Like I think most of us, including me, tie our hair up and wear a clip, so you can use a claw clip for that, and it's in trend as well, so that's like an added bonus. So but yes, I think the colors are very pretty and the quality is pretty good, and this set of 3 was like a nice thing. It came in this plastic box. And the last item I have in here is this silver neck piece. This was my absolute favorite. I love this. This is how it looks. It's a silver choker. It's like a 3-layered choker, so it will completely fill up your neck with anything and everything. This looks so good with this and this bangle. This works really well, and I'm so happy I found like this and this, because this will work with all different outfits, including my yellow chicken curry kurta. So yes, absolutely love this. And it comes with these tiny matching earrings. So this was the last item. This is everything I got from Amazon for this festive season, and I loved each and everything I got. Let me know your favorite item in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I think last few days left to participate in the giveaway, and I'll be announcing the winner soon. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.